Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoded, the place where we unpack the hidden stories within corporate filings. And today we're diving into Ambac Financial Group's latest report, which might just drop a few financial bombshells. Before we get started, if you love getting straight to the point with corporate documents, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We break down what really matters so you don't have to. Also join our Discord community for more insights, it's linked in the description below. This filing is a Form 8, a report of really important events that shareholders should know about. Something significant has clearly happened, and we need to see what it is. The date that really grabbed our attention is the 29th of September 2025. This is when the main event we are discussing today took place. We are looking at Ambac Financial Group Incorporated, and it seems they've been busy. Their main operations are based out of the Big Apple, New York City. The main stock for Ambac Financial Group Incorporated is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol AMBC. Always good to know how the public can invest. Item 1.01, entry into a material definitive agreement. So what major deal went down on the 29th of September 2025? Well, it turns out Ambac Financial Group Incorporated, through its subsidiary Serata VLC, agreed to buy another company called Ambac Capital LLC. This acquisition is a pretty big one, costing a whopping $250 million. They expect to wrap this deal up by the end of 2025. Now, buying a company for $250 million isn't cheap. So, to help finance this big purchase, Ambac Financial Group Incorporated also secured a commitment for $120 million in loans. This includes a $100 million term loan and a $20 million revolving credit facility. They plan to use this money to pay for part of the acquisition, cover transaction costs, and have some cash for general business needs. It's a crucial part of making this deal happen. But of course, there is no guarantee they will get these loans. Item 7.01 Regulation FD Disclosure. To make sure everyone is in the loop, the company also put out a press release on the same day, the 29th of September 2025. This is standard practice to inform investors and the public about these significant events. Forward-looking statements. Now, like many corporate reports, this one contains forward-looking statements. Basically, these are educated guesses or hopes about the future, things like potential future results or plans. The company is just letting everyone know that actual results might be different from what they are predicting. They are pointing out various risks that could affect their actual outcomes from this acquisition and other business aspects. It is important for investors to understand that these future predictions are not guarantees. Item 9.01 Financial Statements and Exhibits. Here is a look at the exhibits attached to this report. This is where all the supporting documents for the information we've just discussed are found. This first exhibit is the actual membership interest purchase agreement for the acquisition we talked about. It's the detailed contract spelling out all the terms between Ambac Financial Group Incorporated Serious Acquisitions Holding Company and the other parties involved. And here is the commitment letter for those loans we discussed. This document would detail the agreements with Truist Bank and Truist Securities Incorporated for the financing needed for the acquisition. And finally, Exhibit 99.1 is the press release that Ambac Financial Group Incorporated put out. This is often a more digestible summary of the deals announced. Signatures. And here we see the signature confirming the report has been duly filed. William J. White, a first Vice President, Secretary, and Assistant General Counsel, has signed off on behalf of Ambac Financial Group Incorporated, reflecting the official nature of this filing. So let's break down what this all means. Ambac Financial Group Incorporated is making a significant move by acquiring Ambac Capital LLC for $250 million. This is a bold step, and they are taking on debt to make it happen with those $120 million credit facilities. The big question is, how will this acquisition truly impact Ambac Financial Group Incorporated's future performance and financial health? Will Ambac Capital LLC bring in substantial new revenue and profits to justify the cost and the debt, or will it become a financial burden? The success of this acquisition will depend on whether Ambac Financial Group Incorporated can successfully integrate Ambac Capital LLC and realize the expected synergies. Looking at the overall picture, Ambac Financial Group Incorporated is signaling aggressive growth through acquisition rather than organic expansion. This strategy can be very rewarding if the right targets are chosen and integrated smoothly, but it also carries higher risks due to the upfront cost and the leverage involved. Investors will be watching closely to see if this acquisition pays off and whether the company can manage the increased financial obligations effectively. The coming quarters will reveal the true impact of this strategic move. Alright, that is our breakdown of Ambac Financial Group Incorporated's latest filing. What is your take on this acquisition strategy, and do you think it will pay off for the company? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis valuable, hitting that like button really helps us out, and subscribe for more deep dives into corporate finances. Don't forget to check out our Discord community linked in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.